Hi, this is Joey Pinkerton, and this is my introduction to the class for JTC 301. A little bit about me. Personally, the mountains are my home. I was raised against the Sierras in Reno and in Denver. Live in Durango now. Spent 1 year away in Orange County, California, and learned that I need to be by the mountains and the outdoors. A husband to an amazing woman, father to two amazing children, 2 and 6 years old. In whatever spare time I have left, I am a cyclist. And I do always appreciate art. Either it's my wife's beautiful paintings we have all over the house, or playing the violin or singing. Professionally and academically, I am a returning student after 15 years away. I'll be studying economics. In that interim, I've spent over a decade in the financial services industry and currently have spent the last 16 years as an insurance agent for State Farm. In the future, my dreams are definitely to complete my undergraduate studies, which is going to be kind of a necessity to further my career beyond where I am. I want to open my own insurance office and be a self-made entrepreneur. I also want to show my children the importance of an education. Their mother is a fifth grade teacher, and we want them to know that this is one of the most important things they can do. Finally, I want to follow through on a promise to myself to finish what I've started. Sometimes you have to return and be true to yourself and finish what didn't happen before. My immediate goals here are to learn to be an effective communicator in more than just my face-to-face sales situations. I also want to get used to using current technologies to further my goals and further marketing for my future office with things like Facebook and Instagram. And I want to practice succinct and effective writing because I can get long-winded at times. Being an effective distance learner, I've taken 1 semester so far, and I've learned first and foremost that proper prior planning prevents poor performance. You really do need to have a plan and execute it in order to really be effective. I also need what are called the 3 C's, consistency, consistency, consistency. When you create a habit, it becomes much more effective to be successful. And finally, you need to be able to focus. You need to have time where you can just give yourself over to what you need to do. So that is everything about me for this course. I look forward to working with all of you and learning how to be effective communicators in this new world. Thank you.